Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to sign into your Netgear router in 2025. Whether you're a newbie setting up your home network or an experienced user troubleshooting connectivity issues, this guide will have you logged in no time. Netgear routers are popular for their reliability and user-friendly interfaces, but getting past that login screen can sometimes trip people up. So, let's jump right in and make this super straightforward. First things first, ensure your device is connected to your Netgear router. You can do this either by plugging in an Ethernet cable for a stable connection or connecting to your router's Wi-Fi network. Once you're connected, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the address bar, type in the default IP address for most Netgear routers, which is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Hit enter, and you should see the login page pop up. Now, for the login credentials. The default username is often admin, and the default password is also admin. But remember, for security reasons, it's a good idea to change these if you haven't already. Type in your username and password, then click Log In. If everything goes smoothly, you'll be directed to the router's dashboard, where you can manage settings, update firmware, or check your network status. What if you run into issues? Don't worry, it's common. If the page doesn't load, double-check your connection or try restarting your router. Forgot your password? You'll need to perform a factory reset by pressing the reset button on the back of the router for about 10 seconds. Keep in mind that this will erase any custom settings, so use it as a last resort. Also, in 2025, Netgear might have updated their interfaces, so if you're using a newer model, check the user manual for any specific changes. And there you have it. You're now successfully signed into your Netgear router. This process is quick and empowers you to take control of your network. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.